Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to change bass on the Spotify. So if you want to change the bass of your Spotify, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the settings from the right top. As you can see, it's here. So simply you have to tap on the settings from here and click on the settings and the privacy. Now scroll up and you have to scroll down. You will get equalizer option right here. See, it's here. Just tap on it, and as you can see, FX booster, simply you have to select FX booster from here, and you can adjust your bass from here. So this is the simple way to change bass on the Spotify. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you.